This is tomato soup. I tried it already and I like it. They got big tomato. They got small tomato. Made of deer meat.
That's good.
Here it comes, the hail.
Well, maybe.
It's kind of.
Well, it's just rain right now, but it might hail. Come. Here
Where?
it comes. Get ready. Film. It's gonna start. Oh, that's why I said just get ready for it.
Where?
They're just really little.
What is that, sir? Your cards?
Yes, I'm just cleaning them up.
Your cards. Me and Aaron are only here for 2 days.
No, they'll be back tomorrow. Just one day.
Only 1 day. Okay. So we're just me and Aaron tonight. Tom and Lyle, they are outside with their friends. And we're making our dinner before my online class started. It will take 2.5 hours. And I needed my English class for my driving. I will be making a bread. What are you gonna make? Bread? This is already a bread.
Yeah, that's bread.
Bread with
We're making grilled cheese sandwiches.
sandwiches.
That's what you usually make with bread, is sandwiches.
Yeah. Not too cold tonight, but it rained. And I will show you guys, Pam got so very big tomato in her garden. She got lots of tomato in her garden. So big. Look at my hands. See? It's more bigger than my hands. And we made lots of salsa. Salsa. Cherry tomatoes. Oh, I tried this before. The soup, tomato soup. Tomato soup. I will put it.
It's too far. Grab a knife and you can do yours. Oops, I melted it a little too much.
Yeah. It melted so much. They love cheese here. I eat lots of different types of cheese already, and they're good. In Philippines, I eat only Eden cheese. Here, they got lots of different types of cheese.
Okay,
Enough?
so you got enough butter on. Wow, yeah, you put a lot of butter on there.
It is a lot. I just need to spread it now. Then,
Garlic salt.
garlic salt.
I like garlic salt on mine.
I like garlic salt too. But I don't want it. I don't want it. It's too much. Just a little bit. Smells good. Then we will toast it.
Yeah, we need cheese.
We will toast it, guys.
Yeah, cheese cubes. Oh, we got some of that stuff from my uncle. And look, we got cheese cubes as an appetizer.
Let me start having work.
Um,
Do I need to put another one here? The butter? On the other side?
yes. Don't do it yet though, because we gotta put the cheese down first.
What kind of cheese is this?
Or cube cheese.
Cube cheese.
Best to eat.
You eat already one of it.
Just eat the cheese cube.
Ah, I thought you will put it here.
No, go. This is for eating. You eat cheese cubes.
I don't eat much cheese, but I like cheese. Not that much. I don't like spicy, so just a normal cheese. Normal cheddar cheese.
I get cheddar and American cheese on yours.
How about yours?
I'm gonna put
Pepper jack? Pepper jack, and that's a bit spicy.
Not really.
Look at, he melt the butter.
Well, yeah.
I thought it's already hot.
Oh my god, assemble your sandwiches first. Yeah. I don't know.
This is tomato soup. I tried it already and I like it. With bread. Made of tomato. See, they got big tomato. They got small tomato.
Got it. Like going the same way? So that's why you gotta butter this side.
And you will flip it.
That's how you get a good.
Sandwich.
Yeah, that's so much better.
What's that? Too much.
Yep.
Salt and garlic.
And then put it on top.
Put it on the top and flip it later.
I'm gonna make sure your bread lines up. Same thing.
Yup.
Oh yeah. Whoops.
Oopsies. We just need to warm it up.
So you want to go low and slow with these because you need the bread to.
Melt.
Well, you need the cheese to melt. So yeah, you gotta make sure it's heated evenly. This is venison sausage. So this is made of deer.
Deer.
Just like this.
Deer.
Whitetail.
They have lots of deer meat here. Deer meat. Deer meat.
Just try it. Scoot over a little bit.
You can eat already because it's pre-cooked, right?
Scoot over, so you know. There.
Pre-cooked.
There's peppercorn.
Yeah.
My uncle made this. Bread.
I like it.
We're good, isn't it? There we
Made
go.
of deer meat.
That's good. Make sure it's not clean up. Need two of these omelets. That's what done.
So I think right piece.
Bottom, I think. And that's what I those two. Sorry.
This one's different.
This doesn't have to get everything downstairs. This little glass dish is wrong. Just look at that. No, you don't.
And this one also.
Like,
Wow. Yummy. Aaron's drink. Daisies. Daisy. Oh, the cheese is melting.
Oh, I should use a bread knife there, huh? Go.
Do you know where is mine?
This one.
Oh, that one. Asawa is preparing our dinner. Yummy. Tomato soup.
With grilled cheese.
Yummy.
Yeah. Let's eat. You know. That's how you go through the soup. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yummy.
You let it soak. Or let it soak up that tomato soup. Attackers, I'm gonna cancel that. What do you, can you not, please?